A group of senior technology leaders. One private, invite-only room hosted by CloneMe. Operators pulling the hardest questions in AI apart and architecting what comes next. The room moved past whether to adopt AI. They came to own it. Build custom or buy. The answer that surfaced: run it on principle. Start with the problem. If the workflow is deterministic, automate it. When it turns ambiguous, that's where an agent earns its place, and a resurgence is underway. Custom software built to fit your exact need, replacing platforms that solve a fraction of it. Ambition meets math, token cost against headcount, autonomy against control. Every leader weighing the same equation, where human judgment stays non-negotiable and where the machine takes over. The through line was rigor. Governance first, visibility always. Cost you can see and control in real time. One idea anchored the hour. The model isn't the moat. What your organization teaches it is. And that intelligence stays yours, permanently. This is what these rooms are built for. Peers solving the exact problems they carry alone everywhere else. The first session set the standard. The next one goes deeper. Invite only, seats are limited. Request your place at the